Hey guys, welcome to NitroRCX.com. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Exceed RC 110 scale MadSpeed, also known as the Drift King. We offer very different body styles and different colors. Now these are 110 scale vehicles, 1/10 the size of an actual full-size scale version of this car. We do offer MadSpeeds with LED lights as well. You can click on the link below to check those out. The only difference between brushed and brushless is the power system, specifically your motor and speed controller. Now the brush system, you're looking at speeds up to 20-25 miles per hour with a stock 7.2 volt 2000 milliamp hour nickel battery. It's going to give you about 10 minutes of runtime off a full charge. Notice the wheels, these are Drift King, so they're made to drift, made to slide. These are standard 12mm hex wheels, so you can mount rubber tires or different standard 110 scale wheels on here. Oil-filled shocks to give you dampening. You have gear-driven differentials front and back. These are shaft-driven four-wheel drive on both chassis. To get the full potential out of a brushless systems, you want to use a lithium polymer battery, which is going to give it a lot more power and a lot longer run times. Systems are waterproof, so you can run it in snow, in the rain, splash it through puddles, and it will handle it. Motor specifications, you have a 3000 kV motor and you have a 60 amp brushless speed controller on the brushless model. Brushless model is going to be a lot quicker. You're going to reach speeds up to 35 miles per hour, and your run times are going to be a bit longer, up to 15 minutes of runtime on that 2000 milliamp hour. We have different body styles. Be sure to check them out at NitroRCX.com. If you want more detailed specs and pictures, head on over there. Lots of videos, lots of drift videos. Check those out. If you have any questions or concerns, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe and click the like button. We'll catch you guys next time.